Hi friends, welcome back to our kids yoga time. Today we'll gently stretch, move our bodies and bring in some positive energy. Remember, go slow, follow your own pace and take breaks anytime you need. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. 1. Tree pose. Stand tall on one leg and place your foot on your calf. Keep your hands together and find your balance like a calm, strong tree. 2. Airplane pose. Lean forward and stretch your arms out like wings. Lift one leg back and fly gently through the air with balance and focus. 3. One-leg mountain. Lift one knee up and reach your arms high. Stand tall and steady like a strong mountain rising toward the sky. 4-star balance pose. Spread your arms and lift one foot slightly off the ground. Shine bright and balance like a little glowing star. 5. Tiptoe stretch. Rise up slowly onto your tiptoes and reach your arms up high. Feel your body growing tall and balanced like a beam of light. 6. Eagle arms. Balance. Cross your arms gently and lift one leg over the other. Breathe slowly and hold your balance like a calm little eagle. 7. Side leg lift balance. Stand tall and lift one leg out to the side. Stretch your arms wide and stay steady, focusing your mind and body. 8. Standing forward reach. Lean forward and reach your arms ahead while lifting one foot back. Move slowly and keep your balance steady and strong. Nine chair balance on toes. Bend your knees and lift your heels off the ground. Stay softly on your tiptoes and balance like a quiet, focused ninja. Opposite arm leg balance. Stand tall and lift your opposite arm and leg. Breathe slowly and hold your balance with calm focus and strength. Great job today! You did amazing! Thank you for practicing with us. We can't wait to see you again for the next yoga routine. Bye-bye!